Hey everyone, this is Sultan with RexTheme, and today I'm going to show you how you can install and activate the plugin Catalog Mode for WooCommerce. Catalog Mode for WooCommerce is a great plugin to help you turn your WooCommerce shop into a catalog view and help you generate B2B leads for your products. If you're a wholesaler or maybe a supplier or a distributor running an online store, then you usually deal with other businesses who probably want to learn more about the products or inquire about the pricing and shipping details before even thinking of ordering, right? In this case, you wouldn't want to have a traditional e-commerce setup. Rather, you can, use a unique way of, communicating with them by turning your shop into a catalog view, all right? Where you change the traditional, order now or add to cart buttons into request a code or inquire more details and things like that, so that when businesses go to your website, they get to have a peace of mind that okay, I can find out more about this to see if this suits my business before I make a decision. All right, and usually this things leads up to bulk orders that gets you more profit. So this is important. That's where Catalog Mode for WooCommerce comes in. With this plugin, you can easily turn your shop into a catalog mode and do all of the things that I just told you that you need to do to attract your business clients. All right, and eventually this will help you gather some leads which you can follow up later to convert. So you can get the plugin from RexTheme as an individual plugin, or you can get it with a value for money bundle that RexTheme has, where you get several plugins to help you grow your WooCommerce business. I have the link in the description. You can check that out if you want to. But once you get the plugin, all right, during checkout, you usually are prompted to create an account. So to install and activate it, you first need to go to RexTheme and then go to your account. So I've already logged in, so I'm clicking on my account, but and it's taking me here. But you need to log in if you haven't logged in yet. So you'll see this one where you get the order details. To download the plugin, you go to the Downloads tab, and here your plugin will be listed. Now, if you purchase just that one plugin, then only that plugin will be listed. You can see on the right side there is the download links, but I have all the plugins in my account, which is why you can see that I have a list of plugins here. So I'll just look for the plugin, and there you go. And I'll click on this, and this will be downloaded. And once you have downloaded it, next it's time to upload it and install it on your website. So go to your website dashboard, and you need to upload the plugin. So go to plugins and click on add plugin. Now, before you install this plugin, I would recommend you already have your WooCommerce shop set up with products and everything, because I'm sure you would want to use it on your existing store to improve the user experience. So I would recommend that first test it out in a staging site by already having WooCommerce set up and then installing this plugin. All right. So click on upload plugin, and then I'll have to upload it over here. So I have the plugin downloaded here, and I'm just going to drag and drop it right into this choose file button, and then I'll click on install now, and then I'll click on activate plugin, and there you go. So once you activate this plugin, it'll open up as a menu like this, catalog mode, and you'll see that it has settings, license, and a setup wizard. But when you install it for the first time, it'll automatically take you to its setup wizard, which is pretty simple. You can see it's talking about what the plugin is, and then there is a video to show you how the plugin works. Okay, and if you scroll down and let's click on next, and in the second part you can see that it's asking you to have the necessary plugin. Now I already have WooCommerce, so I don't need to install it, but if you don't have it, here you can also get it installed through the setup wizard. And next you see you have to activate the license for the plugin. For the license, you need to go to your account, and you need to go to license key tab. So once you go there, here all your plugins licenses will be listed. So if I scroll down, and there you go, this is Catalog Mode for WooCommerce in my shop. So I'll just copy this license key, and I'll go to the website again and paste it here, and then I'll click on activate license, and there you go, my license has been activated. So this means the plugin is now gonna be usable on my site. So let's click on next, and I'm done. So I can click on let's configure catalog mode. It's going to take me into the plugin where you can configure the settings. You can see you can add exclusion list, set up inquiry forms, change buttons and labels, and you can configure the whole thing from this one single place in the plugin. All right, so that's just about it. So go ahead and try this plugin out if you're a wholesaler, a supplier, a distributor, or if you're dealing with B2B in general, right? Where you don't want people to order directly, you want them to inquire. So go ahead and use this plugin. It's going to make it real great. Now I'm going to create more tutorials showing you how you can use this in different scenarios, right? But we already have a pretty good guide to show you how to use the plugin actively, configure this. So I would suggest you check that out. All right. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.